Yeah, man, this is a very disappointing day here. I was gonna go creek fishing down here at Muckley Creek, Leesburg, Georgia. I'm right off of State Highway 118, and to my demise, man, I came out here and seen the creek, and it's all out the bed. The water is all in the woods. Well, I was thinking about that before I left home, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to go fishing today because it's all out of the bed. It's gonna be very disappointing. I just worked my way down in here, had to come through the ravine right there and all that muckety muck, and then to my surprise, I'm looking at the creek now, it's all out of the bed. So I don't know, I'm gonna try. Well, it's kind of hard to fish like the creek when it's out of the bed like this, because the fish are everywhere. And I'm gonna try to dig back in here a little more. You know, I'm not gonna go too deep because I have to come through here and walk through all this water. So it's looked like I'm gonna have to just go back home, wait till the creek dry up a little, because it's been raining. We have been having rain like for days, and I just got bored thinking I could come down here to the creek, do a little fishing, man, and look like now I got to backtrack and go home and try something else. So yeah, it's very disappointing to say the least. I'm gonna try to see, can I go just a little further before I could try to start fishing. But you see how bad it is. It's kind of like, well, you can't see the bed, you know, everything's underwater. Boy, it's gonna be a very disappointing day. I had my Saturday off, got bored sitting around the house. I knew it was gonna be a little muckety, but I didn't think it was gonna be this much rain or water left over. And it just makes the fishing trip more harder, because you got to try to get back in all this stuff, and a lot of times you don't catch the fish you want because they're all out in the woods. So I might go another maybe 100 yards, and if it don't look no better, I'm gonna just pike it up and take it back home. Man, it's very disappointing right here, I tell you. I'll see how far I can go, and I'll come back and just tell you I couldn't make it. Cause boy, we sure enough want to start what? Bulldogging. But it don't look like it, folks. But I'll get back with y'all and let you know.